Hello and welcome all. So today we're gonna cover the topic of HCF or known as GCD as well, and we will use the prime factorization method to find the HCF for the given number. So let's start the video and we will see what HCF is or what GCD is. So HCF is also known as highest common factor, or sometimes we use the term GCD, which is greatest common divisor. So how to find the HCF? Because as I said earlier, there are a couple of methods through which we can find the HCF, but in today's video we're gonna use prime factorization method to find the HCF. Let's take two numbers, 36 and 48, for finding the HCF. So first what we will do, we will find the prime factors of the given number. What are the prime numbers? For that I have made another video. If you want to refer that, you can refer it. So we will find the prime factors. So by finding the prime factors, what we do, we divide a given number by the prime numbers only. So we will start dividing 36. So first prime number, lowest prime number is 2 and it can divide 36. So we will divide 36 by 2. It will give us 18. Again 18 can be divided by 2. So we will divide it and we will get a 9. So as we can see, 9 can't get divided by 2. So we will use the next highest prime number. So after 2, the next prime number comes 3. So we will use that. We will divide 9 by 3. So it will give us 3. We got a number 3, so we have divided it. So finally answer came as 1, so which is our goal. So we will divide any number using prime numbers unless we get the 1 for that number. So the prime factors of 36 will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Similarly, there is another number 48 which we have taken in this example. So prime factor for this number will be
2
into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And if we see, if we multiply all this number, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, we will get the number back. So as we have seen that prime factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and prime factors of 48 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So now what is the definition or what is the full form of HCF? It's a highest common factor. So factor part we have done the factorization of the given number. Now we will try to find the common and the highest. So we will see as many as possible common factors we can find. So let's see how many common factors are there. So if we notice, 2 is present in both, so this 2 is become one set, this then another 2 is another set, then here comes 3. So 3 is present in 36 as well as 3 is present in 48, but in 36 table we can see another 3 but which is missing in 48. So only the common factors which are present in both prime factors of the numbers are 2, 2 and 3. So HCF of 36 and 48 will be 2 into 2 into 3, which is 12. Very good. Let's see another example where we have taken 3 numbers. So 16, 40, 72. So we will use the same method to find the prime factors of the given number. So if we do the same, so we will find this number. 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 72 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So what we have done? We have done one step where we have find the prime factors of all the given numbers. Now what we have to do? Now we have to find the common and the highest. So by highest we means as many as common factors we can find for the given numbers. So if we look closely, so we have 2. This is one set which is present in all the numbers. Then again this 2 is also a common set which is present in all the numbers. Then there is another 2 which is present in all the numbers. So we have so far we have find 3 common 2's which are present in all the given numbers prime factor. Now we have 2 but that is not present in another 2 numbers. We have 5 which is not present in another 2 numbers. Same goes for the 3. So highest common factor for 60, 40, 72 will be 2 into 2 into 2, which gives us 8. So friends, that was all which I could explain through this video regarding HCF. If you think this information was helpful for you, I request you to please share it with the kids in your family or in your friends. And if you like this video, please like and share the video with others as well, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.